Candied walnuts are an easy and delicious addition to your holiday season. I like to make candied walnuts in the beginning of the season, and you can use them in your salad, in stuffing, or sometimes I even package them to give as gifts. They're so good. To get started on our candied walnuts, we're going to use a saute pan on medium to high heat, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt that. So we have our butter melted. We're going to add in a 1/2 cup of our brown sugar, and I'm just going to let this melt together, and I'm going to add in our 2 cups of walnuts. Super easy, really quick. We're going to toss our walnuts with our butter and our brown sugar mixture so that we can get all of the brown sugar and the butter all over our walnuts. Next, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon for a little cinnamon flavor. Put that on there. And give that a toss. And once we coat all of the butter and brown sugar to our walnuts, we're going to empty this onto a pan with parchment paper to get them to cool. So now that we've toasted our walnuts with our mixture, we're going to put that right onto our parchment paper so that they can cool and caramelize. Our candy walnuts are ready, and I'm going to use them throughout the holiday season. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.